This video will be a brief tutorial on how to practice homework problems in Connect Math. Now we've probably noticed that once we complete an assignment, I cannot click on that assignment in order to open it up and work on stuff. What I can do though is click on this little blue set of words, See Report, and this will open up the assignment and show me each problem. So I can click on any particular problem that may have given me trouble, and then there is a word practice here. When we click on practice, it will open up a new window that gives us a similar assignment that we can work on. We might well have fewer buttons. The only buttons that show up when we click practice are check answer, solve it, and show example. Even if your instructor has Ask My Instructor enabled, that will not be available when we are in practice mode. We can also practice an assignment that's not yet complete. In this particular course, if I clicked try again, then that 10%, those 2 problems out of the 20 that I have correct, I'm not able to work on anymore. So if I want to go back in and practice them, I can still click See Report. It's going to show up right here. And when I see the report from this assignment, it will let me practice any of the problems. I can still practice the ones I didn't try, but I will not get credit for any of them. So that's a quick tutorial. I hope this helps out.